Okay, look at here. The late comments, listen. B square minus 4ac less than 0, no real root. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, real and equal roots. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, real and distinct roots. Okay, now this question, x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So we try b square minus 4ac. So minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. That is 16 minus 16 equal to 0. Therefore, this equation has real and equal roots. Like that, real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. Okay. Okay, clear now. One more question, right? 2x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, finish. Real and unequal roots. Okay. Now, next questions. Right. First question is right. Find the values of k. Find the values of k. Find the values of k for which the given equation has real and equal roots. Question again. Find the values of k for which the given equation has real and equal roots. Okay. 2x square minus 10x plus k equal to 0. First of all, you write, since this equation has real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Minus 10 square minus 4 into 2 into k equal to 0. Correct or no? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. You are right like this. Okay. B square minus 4ac minus 10 square minus 4 into 2 into k equal to 0. 100 minus 8k equal to 0. 100 equal to 8k. K equal to 100 by 8 equal to 25 by 2. Correct or no? Okay. K equal 15. How? How Krishna got 15? Okay. Typing mistake. Okay. 12.5. Okay. 12.5. Okay. No problem. Okay. So clear now? It's very simple compared to last classes. This is very simple. DPS balance very rich. First exercise or quadratic. Okay. Okay. So and balance linear still. Okay. Okay. 3.4. Okay. So after this one, we'll decide next chapter. Maybe according to the order, period or order. Okay. So that is better. So next 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0. 9x square, question, 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0. 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, try now. Okay, Krishna, again problem. Krishna, are you sure? Are you sure it is answer? Yeah, k equal to plus or minus 4. K equal to plus or minus 4. Hania, what are you doing? Look. 3k whole square minus 4 into 9 into 4 equal to 0. 9k square minus, how much this one? How much that? 36 into 4, how much? 144? 144, okay. 144 equal to 0. 9k square equal to 144. K square equal to 144 divided by 9 equal to 16. K equal to plus or minus 4. Okay. Look at, you have a test, Friday test, okay? Same time, 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Actually, I plan to change to a little bit early because some students from India, they can write. Those who are from India, they can write Saturday early morning. Okay, no problem. So, portion is except word problems. That means solution and what we are doing today. That's only. Okay. Now need to study the word problems except word problems. Clear now? Okay. You have to learn solution by factorization, solution by formula method, and finding the value of k. That's all. So time exactly sharp 10 o'clock. Okay. According to my time. Okay. So time now here 4:28. Like that, adjust your clock. Okay. So the next question. 2x square minus kx. Next question. 2x square 2x square minus kx plus 1 equal to 0. 2x square minus kx plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, I know. Plus or minus root 8. What is the answer, Roshan? Last year I told you have to by heart that root of 8 to root 2, right? Okay, now here, come on, minus k whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1 equal to 0. K square minus 8 equal to 0. K equal to K square equal to 8. K equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Plus or minus 2 root 2. Agree or not? Okay. Everyone okay? Clear now? Okay. So next one. X square plus K into 4x, K into 4x plus K minus 1, x square plus K into 4x plus K minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 equal to 0. Try now. X square plus K into 4x plus K minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, try this one. Okay, look at here. I'll write here. Okay, x square plus K into 4x plus K minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, look at the question. It's not a normal standard format, right? This is not a standard format, right or no? So what you will do? You have to rearrange it. Look, x square plus 4kx plus k square minus k plus 2 equal to 0. Open the bracket. K into 4kx, k into k square, k into minus 1k plus 2 equal to 0. So now a equal to 1, b equal to 4k, 4k, c equal to this full k square minus k plus 2. Are you okay? This full is our c. Are you okay? Clear now? Is it okay now? Okay. Now b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now take shorter ABC. B square minus 4ac. You know the reason because a already. Oh, no problem. Here, no problem. You know this. Okay. Okay. B square minus 4ac equal to 4k whole square minus 4 into 1.
Close the door, Sai Surbigu, someone.
K square minus k plus 2 equal to 0. Because question is given, this is a given system equation has a real equal roots. 16 k square minus 4k square minus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. 12k square minus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. Divide by 4. 3k square minus k minus 2 equal to 0. We can split. Can split, no? 3 into 2, 6. 3k square minus 6k. Oh, sure. Plus k minus 2 equal to 0. If any mistake, you correct it. Okay. 3k into k minus 2 plus k minus 2 equal to 0. So k minus 2 into 3k plus 1 equal to 0. So what will get? K equal to 2 and k equal to minus 1 by 3. K equal to k equal to 2. Oh, k equal to 2. No, something wrong there. Something wrong? Okay, it's all correct, no? So this is correct. 16k square. This line correct, right? Something I made mistake. Yeah, mistake is here. Look at here. This one, right? Yes, this one. Plus only. Plus, right? Okay, accordingly, yes, accordingly, k, you will get k equal to 2 by 3 and k equal to minus 1. Yes, k equal to 2 by 3 and minus 1. Okay, Pooja, correct. Okay, clear now? Finish all. Hello. Finish. Okay. So next one.
यार ये कौन सा घटिया चीज है यार?
Okay. Right. X square minus 2x into 1 plus 3k plus 7 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0. This is question number 1. Question number 2, k plus 1 into x square minus 2 times k minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, try both. Okay, try now. Whose audio on? Put on. No, no one can. Okay, finish now. You can hear now, right? You can hear, right? Everyone okay? You can hear, right? Okay. So, okay, both questions right now. Okay. Try first both questions. Okay. Wait, Roshan, if not getting first one, try second one. If not getting the first one, don't worry, you can try second one. Okay. I'll show you, no problem. Okay. We have enough time, man, not to worry. I have enough time to make more questions and work. Okay. Vijay, you got both are correct. I think so, both are correct. Vijay, you going again other tuition in India? Vijay, I think you're in India, right? Oh, when you're in India, you better. Oh, good. Oh, you're Mount Eden. Okay, so that's good. Mom doing this work or you're doing? Now, who's doing the program? You or your mother? Okay. Okay. Anyway, it is good now. You're better now. Okay. You have time to study. Okay. Look at here. So the first one, I'll show you. Maybe you help me. Maybe I'll make mistake in the first one. Okay. There's a lot of things to do. Here a equal to 1, b equal to -2 into 1 plus 3k, c equal to 7 into 3 plus 2k. Okay, so b square minus for AC. 4 into, I only square. You do not write again, okay? 1 plus 3k whole square minus 4 into 1 into 7 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0. Are you okay? You straight? You're okay now? Right? A equal to 1, B equal to minus 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 3k. C is 7 into 3 plus 2k. Correct or not? 2x. Why 2x? How come 2x there? How 2x? Okay, no? Ronit, how 2x there? B means coefficient of x. In the question, yes, question is, does I not know? Question is minus 2x into 1 plus 3k. Question is x square minus 2x into 1 plus 3k. Okay, when you write the coefficients, what? Minus 2 into 1 plus 3k. Clear that? Okay. So everyone clear up to here? Okay, listen here. So this one 4 into 1 plus 9k square plus 6k. Correct or no? You also check 1 9k square plus 6k minus 28 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0. We can cut by 4. This 4 is gone, 4 divided. 1 plus 9k square plus 6k minus 7 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0. So that is 1 plus 9k square plus 6k minus 21 minus 14k equal to 0. Okay, 9k square minus how much? Minus 14 plus 6 how much? 8. 8k minus 20 equal to 0. Are you okay? You got like this? You got like this. 9k square minus 8k minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, then split the middle term. If you cannot split, go to base square minus 4ac and find out. So the answer is k equal to 2 and k equal to minus 10 by 9. K equal to 2, k equal to minus 10 by 9. Roshan, okay? Okay, Ronit, your mistake understood now? No need to take x, this is b. Answer is 2 or minus 10 by 9. Okay. Second one will get k equal to 0, comma 3. After this one, you find the value of k. It's a quadratic equation, Kavya. It's a quadratic equation. If you want, you can split or b square minus 4ac, you can find the value. Yeah, okay. If you have a problem, if you miss the class, we are recording the class. So just tell me, I'll give the link. You can see enter the class. All the classes recording, okay. So clear now? Okay, similarly, second one. Second one simple, k equal to 0 and k equal to 3. Roshan, second one you got? Well, wait. How did 28 become 28? 4 into 7, 4, B square minus 4 AC. 4 into A is 1. C is 7, there is no, this 7. Look. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Oh, you want the second equation, one C. Okay. First one clear now. Okay. Second one. Second one equation is k plus 1 into x square minus 2 into k minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. This one, right? This is the one, right? Mansi, this is the one, right? Okay. Now look at here. Here A equal to k plus 1. B equal to minus 2 into k minus 1. C equal to 1. Okay. Then B square minus 4AC equal to 4 into k minus 1 whole square. Only I square here. Minus 2 square only I wrote. Okay. Just one now. 4 into A. K plus 1 into C1 equal to 0. 4 into k square minus 2k plus 1. 4 into k plus 1 equal to 0. I cut 4. This is 4. Okay. 4 gone. Okay. Not cutting. Divide by 4. Okay. So k square minus 2k plus 1 minus k minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Cool. Cancel. K square minus 3k equal to 0. Right? So k outside, k minus 3 equal to 0. So k equal to 0 and k equal to 3. Okay. 3 only, right? K equal to 0 and k equal to 3. Okay. Abhishek, check. Who is this KRANAL? Who's that? Yeah. What's your name? Yes. What's your name? Ah. Which school? I forgot. That's right. Okay. Last year studied or this year studied? New student? Okay. So listen here. Tomorrow's test. Everyone should write your name in capital letter, your class, and batch. Okay. The top without name. I want to check that one. Okay. Friday, not tomorrow. Friday test. No, our test is on Friday. All Fridays. Okay. Friday, you're free now. Okay. So our next question. That's both questions finished. Now coming. No, I told you no. No word problems except word problems. Okay. Major one I removed already. So now look at here. Okay. Next again. K minus 12 into x square. This one star question. Okay. 2 into k minus 12 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. K minus 12 into x square plus 2 times k minus 12 plus 2 equal to 0 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Try now. Okay. Question is look. K minus 12 into x square plus 2 times k minus 12 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Let us see. I'll check it. So far, got all something there is. Okay. 11 and 4. 11 and 14. Okay. That's all. Right. Cyril, Kavya, Kiran, Nishi, Pooja, Prashant, Manasi 30 and minus 4. Oh, Sri Kurugan. Okay. Still trying? Anyone trying? Krishna, you got? Okay, K equal to 12, comma 14. Okay, that's good. Kaushik. 1 minute. Okay, okay. I thought the answer is 1 minute. Kiran for 12, 14. Okay, 12, 14. Everybody got 12, 14. Okay, everybody got 12, 14. Right? Oh, good. Finish. Star question. Okay, so everybody got, anyone have problem with this one? Anyone? Come on, this is star question. Roshan, sure you got right now? Ronit, anyone have problems? Any students have how to do this question? Manasi, I think doubt there is. Manasi, your answer is wrong. Okay, okay. I'll show this one. Look at here. So, like previous question, A equal to K minus 12. B equal to 2 times K minus 12. C equal to 2. Then B square minus 4AC equal to 2 into K minus 12 whole square minus 4 into K minus 12 into 2 equal to 0. Okay. 4 into K minus 12 whole square minus 8 into K minus 12 equal to 0. We can cut by 4. K minus 12 whole square minus 2 into K minus 12 equal to 0. Agreed? Okay. Right? Then we got K minus 12 outside. Right? K minus 12 minus 2 equal to 0. That means K minus 12 into K minus 14 equal to 0. K equal to 12 and K equal to 14. Deepa, okay now? Okay. Listen, wait. Ask me. Just listen. Okay. We got K equal to 12 and 14 up to here. Okay, Dia. Manasi. Clear now? Okay. But one problem is here. What is the answer? We got K equal to 12 and K equal to 14. What is the answer? Krishna, what is the answer? We got K equal to 12 and K equal to 14. 0. Portion. What is the answer? K equal to 12? Hania, what are you saying? 2. My question is, we got two answers, K equal to 12 and K equal to 14. Ritika, why K equal to 14 only correct? Why not 12? Look at here. Not both are correct. No. Look at here. If k equal to 12, what happened here? 0, 0. 2 equal to 0 is possible, right? If k equal to 12, if k equal to 12, we get what? 2 equal, you write that one. If k equal to 12, 2, we get 2 equal to 0, which is not possible. That means answer is what? K equal to 40. Are you okay? This is the climax of this question. That's why this star mark. Clear now? This is the star mark. Okay. All question, if you get more than one answer, you have to just cross check it whether possible or not. Is it okay? Only one answer. That is k equal to 40. Okay. The final answer is when k equal to 12. Okay. It's not a quadratic equations. 0x square plus 0 plus 2 equal to 0. It's not possible. So possible answer is k equal to 40. Aditya, okay? Okay. Those who are referring RD also, they didn't find this mistake. That mistake. Okay. RD also write k equal to 12 and k equal to 14. Okay. So RD maybe didn't check that. Okay. Now look at here. Now star question, some question there. Okay. Super star questions. Okay. Yes. RD didn't say. Ritika said. Correct. Good. Okay. So now next question. Look at here. Okay, if the equation, this star one, okay, next 2-3 questions, star questions only. Okay, sure chances. If the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2 mcx plus c square minus a square has equal roots. If the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2 mcx plus c square minus a square has equal roots, prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Question clear now? Okay, try now. Same condition, equation has equal roots. Prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Okay, try now. So when you write capital A is 1 plus m square, capital B 2mc, capital C is c square minus m square because c and a only there. Okay, try now. Okay, getting? Okay, I'll wait. Okay. Finish all? Okay, so anyone had doubt? I'll wait. Anyone tell me? Okay, okay, Maidali. Okay, I'll tell you. Roshan, I'll explain. Okay, others, only two. Okay, Ronit, wait. Any others? Only three. Ania, okay. Look at here now. Look, anyway, listen here. Here, A equal to 1 plus m square. B equal to 2 mc. You know why I writing capital? Because C already there. Okay. C equal to c square minus a square. Okay. This equation has equal roots. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. 2 mc whole square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square equal to 0. Right? Okay. 4 m square c square minus 4 into 1 into c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square equal to 0. 4 divided, cancel. M square c square minus c square plus a square minus m square c square plus m square a square equal to 0. Cut. This one going that side. A square plus m square a square equal to c square. Finish. Okay. Star one. Okay. Ronit. Who else? Nancy. Ania. Deepa. Clear now? Anyone who has filled out? No problem. I'll explain this question. This is one of the star questions. Okay. Got to make sure that. Maybe I'll ask tomorrow to test this question. Okay. Not tomorrow. Everyone okay now? Clear, right? Are you sure? All the guys. Okay. So then we'll see next question. Okay. Okay. Right. If the equation b minus c into x square, b minus c into x square this also star. Okay. If the equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0. If the root of the equation are equal, prove that 2b equal to a plus c. 2b equal to a plus c. These are classic questions. Okay. b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0 has equal roots. Prove that 2b equal to a plus c. Okay. Try now. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll show this. Let's try all. Okay. Misha got. Okay, good. Look at here. Others still trying? This is a little bit above average question. Okay. Look. So look at here. This is very from very old book. Maybe not seen this book. Look, this guy no more now. Okay, more than my age. Okay, look at here. So okay, in Adidas questions. Okay, listen here. Here A is B minus C. B C minus A. C A minus B. Okay. Then B square minus 4AC equal to 0. That is C minus A whole square minus 4 into B minus C into A minus B equal to 0. Correct, no? B square minus 4 into A is equal to 0. Okay. Open bracket. C square plus A square minus 2AC minus 4 into AB minus B square minus AC plus BC equal to 0. Okay. Then C square plus A square minus 2AC minus 4AB plus 4B square plus 4AC minus 4BC equal to 0. Up to here, okay? Up to here, okay or not? Check up to here. Those who asked doubt, check up to here. Up to here, okay? Or okay, now look at here. Okay, then listen, I will go this one. You have doubt now. Look at here. A equal to B minus C. B equal to C minus A. C equal to A minus B. Then B square minus 4AC. We got. We open this one. We got this one. Look at here now. Okay. C square plus A square. Look. I got here plus 4B square minus 2AC plus 2AC. So plus 2AC. Correct? Minus 2AC plus 4AC. Minus 4AB. Okay. Minus 4BC equal to 0. You got like Kural got this one. Kural got this one. Okay, you got this one. Asmi, you got Hania, Ronit, Krishna, you got? Others also. Maidali, Tia, Devayani. Okay, now look at here. Saya Pramod, you got final answer? Saya. Okay, you got. Okay, look at here. This one, it may be last year you see one identity. What is this one? C plus A minus 2B whole square equal to 0. Let me check. C square, okay, no. A square plus minus minus. Because our answer is like the C equal B, C plus A, right? What the answer? What did you find out? A plus C. Okay. C plus A minus 2B also. Correct or no? C square. You have to cross check it. C square, B square, A square, square. That means C plus A minus 2B equal to 0. Then C plus A equal to 2B. Clean. Okay. Now, okay, all. Okay, write fast. Okay, so next one. Are you okay? All clear now? One of the star one coming. It's all star classic questions. Okay, challenging questions. Okay, ready now? Are you ready? Everyone? Okay. So first of all, Nihal. Today, Nihal, what happened? Not getting. Okay. So listen here. Next one. If the root of the equation, if the roots of a square plus b square into x square plus 2 into bc minus ad into x plus c square plus d square equal to 0. Once again, a square plus b square into x square plus 2 times bc minus ad into x plus c square plus d square equal to 0 has equal roots. Prove that AC plus BD equal to 0. Prove that AC plus BD equal to 0. Okay, fine. Prove that AC plus BD equal to 0. Question, listen here. Question is simple, already here. If the equation a square plus b square into x square, a square plus b square into x square plus 2 times bc minus ad into x plus c square plus d square equal to 0 are equal. Show that AC plus BD equal to 0. AC plus BD equal to 0. Okay, try now. Everybody got? Okay. You're trying, still trying? Okay, I'll wait. Okay. I'll wait. Shaya, why all the okay? Listen here. Okay, like previous question, a equal to a square plus b square. B equal to 2 times BC minus AD. C equal to C square minus C square plus D square. So that's why make it capital letter. Then B square minus 4AC equal to 4 into BC minus AD whole square minus 4 into A square plus B square into C square plus D square equal to 0. Then 4 gone now. Okay. Open this one. B square C square plus A square D square minus 2ABCD minus A square, sorry, okay, A square C square plus A square D square plus B square C square plus B square D square equal to 0. Open the bracket. B square C square plus A square D square minus 2ABCD minus A square C square minus A square D square minus B square C square minus B square D square equal to 0. Okay. Cancel. What cancel? This one cancel, right? Then this one cancel. Okay. Oh no. This one cancel. Yeah, correct. Okay. Sure. No. Okay. Okay. Now balance what? My a square c square. Okay. Multiply by minus. We got a square c square plus b square d square plus 2 abcd equal to 0. What is this one? This is what? AC plus BD whole square equal to 0. Correct or no? A square C square, A square, B square, 2AB. What do you have to find out? You have to find right. AC plus BD equal to 0. Is it okay now? Are you okay? Anyone want to explain? I'll do again. No problem. Okay. Okay, finished. Everyone okay? Clear now? Anyone have doubt? Okay. Okay. So next question. Are you okay? Now it's more tough question. Okay. If you have background of this question, then you can next one you can do it. Okay. Are you ready now? Ready now. Next question. Okay. Ready? It's all above average. Your batch can do this type of question. That's why I'm doing this batch. Okay. Is it okay now? Right? Ready now? Come on. Okay. So next question. Right. Okay. In the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2 mcx. Oh, sorry, not this one. We need this one. Okay. P into q minus r into x square. P into what total it is? P into q minus r into x square plus q into r minus p into x plus r into p minus q equal to 0 has equal roots. If the root of the quadratic equation p into q minus r into x square plus q into r minus p into x plus r into p minus q equal to 0, then prove that 1 by p plus 1 by r equal to 2 by q. 1 by p plus 1 by r equal to 2 by q. Okay. Right now. Okay, try. Okay, anybody got? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, you got exactly 1 by P plus 1 by R equal to 2 by Q. Everyone got it. That's me got. Okay, Krishna got. Amisha got. That's all. Okay, Manasi got. Okay, then that's all. Saya got. Okay, Anushka. Okay, Pooja. Okay, Devayani. Okay, then that's all. Boys, no boys. Come on, man. Not it. Cyril. Not that's all. Nobody got. Avishan is not in the batch. Okay. Asta, what she got? Nihal is sleeping today. Okay. Hania, you got? Okay. Yeah. Okay. No problem. I'll give the time. So remember to Friday class start at 10 o'clock. Okay, Hania. Don't miss the time. Okay. Last class you be late. Okay. So now look at here. Maybe you're sleeping at 10 o'clock. That's right. Okay. Look at here. Because there is no other option then because some guys other batch tuition there is till 9:30. That's the reason. Okay, look at here now. Here A P into Q minus R. Okay, B equal to Q into R minus P. C equal to R into P minus Q. Okay, B square minus 4AC. I think both not enough. Okay. Here Q square into R minus P whole square minus 4 into P into Q minus R into R into P minus Q equal to 0. Right? Up to that. B square B Q into R minus P whole square minus 4 into P into Q minus R into P minus Q equal to 0. Okay, right? This is line clear now. Make sure it's a bit lengthy question. So make sure each line correct or not. B square Q square into R minus P whole square minus 4 into P into Q minus R into P minus Q equal to 0. This line very well correct. Okay. Then Q square into R square plus P square minus 2PR minus, look, 4PR into Q minus R into P minus Q equal to 0. Open the bracket. Q square R square plus P square Q square minus 2PR Q square. Okay, minus 4PR into PQ minus Q square minus RP plus QR equal to 0. Okay. Okay, complete all. Ask me. Up here, okay? No, what I did correct or not? Everything correct. You check the board. Is okay. You already got now. This is correct or not? This line. Okay. Now, here you copy or not? Okay. Anyone want to copy here? Okay. So now here Q square R square plus P square Q square minus 2PR Q square. Okay, open again. Minus 4 for what? P square R Q. Okay or no? 4 P square Q R. Okay. Plus 4 P R Q square. Okay. Again plus 4 P square R square. Okay. Minus 4 P Q R square. Check this line. Check this line. Any mistakes? Then up to here, okay? Well, check. Check the board. It's correct. Okay, now we can cancel something. Okay, P square Q square. We can, this is cancelled now. Everything cancelled. Okay, guys. So look at here. P square now P square Q square, right? Check all. Okay. Q square R square plus P square Q square. What about this one? 2PR Q square. Yeah, look at here. This one plus 2 PR Q square. This one and this one. Okay. For P square RQ. For P square. No. Okay, all different only. Okay. Minus 4 P square RQ plus 4 P square Q square plus minus 4 PQ R square equal to 0. Okay. This one QR plus PQ minus 2PQ whole square. Okay, let me check. This square, correct. This square, correct. This square here. This AB, 2 times this one. Plus, correct, plus 2PQ square. No. Yeah, correct. Now this one minus 4 P square Q square. Yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Anyway, correct or not? Now, is it okay? Don't need. Up to here, okay or not? Anything wrong here? This one have mistakes. This line. Okay, then we get this one PQ plus QR minus 2 PQ minus 2, not PQ, I think RP. RP equal to 0. That means PQ plus QR equal to 2 RP. Now, our answer is 1 by P plus 1 by R. What you will do? Each divided by PQR. PQ divided by PQR plus QR divided by PQR equal to 2RP divided by PQR. So what do you get? PQ cancel 1 by R plus 1 by P equal to 2 by Q. This is the one. Okay. Still lengthy one. Okay. So check now. Those who made mistake, check it. Okay. Retry. Okay. It's a lengthy one. Okay. I know this is lengthy one. Okay. Okay. Now, complete first. This time, one more question only. This time, last question. Okay. Okay. Last part, I selected this one here, this one here, this one here. This part 2RP. I took this is P square R square only. Yeah, P, see, look at here. Here I made a mistake. P square R square. Look, R square. So that is 2RP. When you open x plus y plus z whole square, fraction. Fraction is each term divided by PQ. Okay, always you should check our requirement accordingly adjustment. Because we got this one, we didn't reach our answer. So we're thinking how to get that one or divider. Because the answer is 1 by 1 by R plus 1 by P only. So each term divided by PQ1. So multiply by PQ. Now divide by PQ. Okay, clear now? Okay, so next one, same type, one question. Not that much significant. Okay, listen here. Are you ready now? Okay. Okay, so next one. Right, star question. If the root of the quadratic equation, if the root of the quadratic equation, if the root of the quadratic equation, if the root of the quadratic equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0. Show that the root of the equation c square minus yeah, c square minus ab into x square plus minus 2 a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0. Okay, are equal. The root of the equations are equal. Then show that either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, two options. If the roots are equal, then show this one. Question read again. Okay. If the root of the quadratic equation c square minus ab in bracket x square minus 2 times a square minus a square minus bc plus b square minus ac equal to 0. Then show that a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, here now. Okay. Yeah. A equal to 0 and a equal to 0, then two answer a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. No, both are true. Okay, one answer enough means half mark will get. Out of four, 2 marks will get it. Like capital of India, you wrote instead of New Delhi, you wrote New Kerala, like that. So for you, you'll get half mark. You got Varsha, you got We got A equal to 0. Okay. Let us see others. Knowledge. Okay, last few steps. What about Cyril? Okay, so now look at here. Okay, so B square minus 4AC equal to, this is 4 into A square minus BC all square minus 4 into C square minus AB into B square minus AC equal to 0. Right now, 4 into A square minus BC all square, 4 into A into C equal to 0. Okay, 4 into A raised to 4 plus B square C square minus 2 A square BC minus 4 into C square B square, okay, minus A C Q, then minus A B Q, correct now, plus A square B C equal to 0, correct? C squared this one, C squared A C Q minus A B Q plus A square B C, right? Okay, everyone got correct on this one, right? Okay, now 4 cancelled. Okay, 4 cancelled. Let's write here. A raised to 4 plus B square C square minus 2 A square BC minus C square B square plus A C Q plus A B Q minus A square BC equal to 0. Okay. We can simplify something. Yeah, this one. Okay. A raised to 4 plus, this is cancelled also. A raised to 4 minus 2 A square BC. This one. Minus 3 A square BC plus A C cube plus A B cube equal to 0. How you copy this one, right? You have to copy? I'll make that. You don't want to copy? You don't want to copy this part? I'm going to have this one. No, you don't want to copy first. Tell me first. Okay, finish. Right? Okay. So now we can take A outside. A cube plus this B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0. Correct or no? A outside. A cube, C cube, B cube, ABC equal to 0. That means something into something equal to 0. This is 0, this is 0. A equal to 0 or A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0. That means A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. See, what a classic question. You all got this. Okay, so look at here. This enough today. Check today itself these questions. How many questions finished today? This type question today itself is study. Because you forget this one. Okay, two tough questions. Make sure today itself. Come on, Friday. You have a test at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Sharp 10 p.m. Okay. Then on the paper. Okay, till down. Because when you take the picture, I can see your name, class, and little down. Write your clearly in capital name and school. Okay, and make it only vertical type. Okay. Clear now? This is okay.